freaking ocean rats. So that won't start. Let's see if we can do the old 3-in-1 and get it to bang on. I'll take you along for the ride. Head compressor. The shape of that fridge, that condenser was crap. Evaporator looked like it had a leaker. I told him to buy a new fridge. Let's get to the next one. What the problem is. I wonder. I got the condenser cleaned up, but it also is low on charge. So it's a multiple offender deluxe. Just about ready to kill the compressor. What you'll usually find is the condenser gets all dirty and it's low on charge. So between the condenser being plugged and no gas cooling coming back on the motor on the compressor, it usually kills them pretty good. So got the leak detector warming up here, and then we'll see where we're at if that evaporator's a leaker, which they usually are. Dirty coil otitis. She is dirty. Homeboy tripping, he don't know I got the gun. When it come to pop